They're all in line. And they're off. And a pretty even start. That's Northern Duke showing a little bit of speed. Mini Drop is moving through from between runners. Big Brian T is up on the grandstand side. Chris Silver also in the mix, and Steelix just in behind the leading pack, and he's only about 2 lengths off the pace. Teddy Ballgame is over to the inside, and there's Allie's Weed able to save a little bit of ground despite that outside post. He's running about 5 lengths off the pace. They're followed by Robin Chief just to the inside now of Ning Bo, and the trailer is Roman Valor. He's got about 10 to make up. The opening quarter was a modest 23 seconds flat for the gray Mini Drop. And jockey Eddie Nunez. Mini Drop takes him along onto the backstretch. The lead is just a half a length. Chris Silver inching closer from the outside. Now there's Northern Duke settling back in third. Steelix is moving through from between runners. Teddy Ballgame is down along the inside. Big Brian T is out in the clear and only 3.5 off the pace. Then Allie's Wheat in front right now of Robin Chief, Ning Bo, even Roman Valor trying to get involved. Very well bunched after a half of 47-2. They move for the far turn. Chris Silver turning up the heat now on Mini Drop. It's Chris Silver and Mini Drop. They're almost right together. Steelix is now out in third. He's got about a length and a half to make up, and now Ning Bo is getting involved from the back of the pack. He is circling up wide as they come into the stretch. Chris Silver, Mini Drop still right side by side. Chris Silver maybe a nose in front. Mini Drop, Ning Bo now running at them from the grandstand side. Teddy Ballgame slipping through an opening at the rail. Ning Bo up and after the lead. Chris Silver, Big Brian T, or rather Teddy Ballgame, Allie's Weed, a big cavalry charge, and Ning Bo won it. Ning Bo very tight for place and show. Allie's Weed or Teddy Ballgame.